also amazing today.
Asuntoskeittiö Pukinmäki.
On the 14th of March 2025, we have Eskolantie, Eskolantie 5, staircase D here. Tosin Pukinmäki, Boxvakva, Helsinki, Eskolantie, Finland. Put in date 1981, finished in 1982 with impregnated fixtures. Best is 4 birds of 305 grams. We have just filmed the stakes E and F here. We'll also go to the stakes A, B, and C here. We found the photo, we thought it was impossible. It was just in the evening, it was in the news, and it was just 40211. Oh, it's R here.
Yeah.
That's weird. I don't know why it's R. But I have no clue. What would you think the R means? Or stands for?
I don't know.
It's rare.
Yeah.
The rare R button here.
It's a bit like that made then by Kone.
Somebody drew that.
Yeah.
It's just, it's P, but when you draw it's different.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, it's not draw. It's R indeed here. They didn't draw.
Yeah.
Draw it. It's weird.
Yeah.
But it's rare.
Yeah.
But on the door, they draw. But the button is real.
Yeah.
Maybe it was a choke by Kone in late 1981.
Yeah.
It's not like the Portuguese one or the French one, which is anything else like that.
Yeah.
We're not there.
That's